So I just turned 41. And this world keeps telling me who I should be in this stage of my life. But what to do when you discover a fire inside of you? Something that's just desperate to come out. Is it too late for me? Falling in love with filmmaking, but very few seem to understand this new romance of mine. Doubt and fear seem to haunt me sometimes, making me feel I just don't fit in. And maybe that's not that bad. Maybe I'm just not meant to follow the norm. So, am I making videos? Nope. I'm telling stories. And this is mine.
Por arriba, ¿ves? Sí, con la cámara, papá. Míralo ahí, coño. Ay, mira, entrega inmediata. Mira dónde está, papá.
Tenemos video duro.